Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to talk about a bug that I faced after updating my Android Studio to Hedgehog. So, if you see here, the latest version that I have is Android Studio Hedgehog 2023.1.1. And the problem is with the actually vector asset. If I try to make an asset, an icon, and sometimes by just clicking here I cannot find all the things that I want. So for example, I'm searching for restaurant right now, and as you see here, it's nothing to show. And no matter on what internet service provider am I using, or if I use any VPN or anything, unfortunately no result. So to fix this bug, actually, you have to go to your SDK location. To find your SDK location, you can simply click on SDK Manager, and on Android SDK location, you can see where you are using this SDK and you are storing them. So I open my SDK folder, I go to the icons, material, and as you see, there is a file here, icons underline metadata. So by simply deleting this file and getting back here to actually my vector assets, I can see that now as I'm searching for the icon that I'm looking for, I can find it. So as you see, I made my icon. So for the people who are not familiar with this UI that I'm using right now, is actually the beta UI that actually is introduced, the new UI, and I think it's not beta anymore, but I'm using it right now, but it's not the predefined UI. So let it restart, and I wanna show you the same process in the old version. So as you see here, all the menus are back here. So about the finding the vector asset, it's again the same process. By clicking on res or drawable, you can go to the vector asset. But actually, if you want to go to your SDK manager, again by clicking on this setting or gear icon, you can go to SDK manager, and again you can find your Android SDK location here. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any idea, any question or anything, please let me know down below in comment section. Until the next video, peace out.